Welcome to A Spirit of Mind. I am glad that you are here. Today, we're going to reconnect with the energy of nature and ground ourselves, restoring balance and inner peace. Whether you're seated or lying down, this meditation will help you feel deeply rooted and centered. Take a moment to get comfortable, allowing your body to relax. If you haven't already, gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in. As you inhale, imagine the cool, fresh air of a peaceful forest filling your lungs. With each breath, visualize vibrant green energy flowing through your body, connecting you to the earth beneath you. As you exhale, release any tension or stress you may have been holding. Feel the weight of your concerns being absorbed by the ground beneath you. Now, imagine roots growing from the soles of your feet, extending deep into the earth. These roots anchor you, providing strength and stability. With every breath, feel your connection to the earth growing stronger. In your mind's eye, picture yourself surrounded by a serene forest. The leaves rustle softly in the breeze, and the scent of the earth and trees fills your senses. Let yourself be fully present in this moment, absorbing the calm energy of the forest around you. With each inhale, breathe in the strength and stability of the trees around you. Picture their roots firmly planted in the soil, supporting their tall, strong trunks. As you draw in each breath, allow that same strength and stability to flow through your body, grounding you even further. As you exhale, release any remaining tension or disconnection. Feel these stresses melting away, leaving you more connected to yourself and the earth. Now take a moment to simply be. Feel the energy of nature flowing through you, restoring and nourishing your body, mind, and spirit. Let go of any thoughts or concerns. Allow yourself to simply exist in this space of peace and tranquility. Notice how deeply rooted you feel in this present moment. You are as solid and unmovable as the trees, yet flexible enough to sway with the wind when necessary. This grounding connection supports you in everything you do. When you feel ready, gently bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, awakening your body slowly. When you open your eyes, carry this sense of grounding with you throughout your day, feeling centered and connected. Thank you for joining me today on A Spirit of Mind. If this meditation helped you feel more grounded and at peace, please subscribe to the channel. Wishing you a calm, balanced day ahead. Namaste.